We are down in Iowa today at Boone, checking out some of our portfolio. We got 130 units here in Boone. We're looking to add 21 today, so we're checking those out. We are at Country Club Village though, checking out how their remodeling is going, doing new flooring, new paint, seeing if we can get another $100 a month out of these. So go check it out. Here's a quick walkthrough of what these units look like. They're 2-story, 2 and 3 bedroom units here at Country Club Village. We've got kitchens back here with a little dining area. They have washer and dryer in the unit, which is really nice here. We've got 2 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom. So that is what these units look like kind of as is. We've got sheet vinyl, carpet, and so our upgrades we're doing, get them up to vinyl plank throughout, painting, updating trim, getting everything a little more modern. Makes his own keys.
You know, a Nick story. Yeah, I gotta have one story. Yeah.
To try to save some money and get everything rolling. We know a flooring company, so we brought down 3 pallets of some really good priced vinyl plank, which we're gonna put in there for these remodels. Save some money, keep things efficient. It's good. Dad, tell us about Dorian.
It's a great property, large units, over 1,000 square feet. And we're really hopeful on this one that we can just do some minor fixes and updates and be able to raise rents about 100, 150 bucks a piece. So this is a great value add property.
Let's go look at some apartments. John, tell us how excited you are about Dorian.
I think it's Doran.
First it's Doran.
Is it?
But
Yep.
yes, very excited about Doran.
It is Doran. Right on the main drag. Building looks awesome.
Alex, test it out to see if you can break a bone from that height.
Cool people go on the roof, I guess. Should we go? Rocky. Chad, you have a passion for inspecting roofs, don't you?
I do.
Yeah. You like
They're one of our biggest CapEx expenses, and I want to make sure these are done right. Anyone can say the roof is done, but it doesn't mean it's done right.
Amen. So that's why we send Chad and Alex up many ladders to go look at them. Here's John. Oh, he just finished up a Corona. Yeah. What are you looking for?
Just making sure nothing's leaking on the plumbing actively. Floor is okay. Just be an idea if there's plumbing, you know, historically plumbing leaks in the building or not.
Yeah. Now that you visited Doran,
Good property. It's a nice mix of tenant lifestyles. Overall good shape.
yeah, I agree.
I don't think I'm out of line for asking him to fix the shingles and the gutter there.
Not at all.
Because
No.
it was done by the recent storm, so.
Yep.
And then ask him to pick up that stuff here in the front and then have him fix garage number 2.
3.
Number 2 didn't have any electricity.
2.
There's 2.
bad. Do you love the duplex?
It's built pretty solid. I like it.
It's good. I mean, it's got good windows, seems like.
Frames are rotted out in those side doors.
Yeah.
And that tree does need to come down. That tree's dead.
What do you guys think about selling this?
It's not a bad idea, actually.
Sell both of them, right?
Yeah.
Thoughts on allocating more sale price to like the bigger unit
For cost
buildings? Yeah, and then taking this and turning it for capital.
I'm in. There's the building we're looking at buying, and this is New Avon right here. You can see there's some separate buildings here, and then there's a larger kind of courtyard and 2 stories over there. Quite a few units over here, so it just fits really well. This being here, and then we're actually gonna look at the garages right here, which are also right next door. But adding these garages would be super nice right next to New Avon.
I think we should negotiate on some kind of a holdback or escrow for the windows.
Not a bad idea. What do you think? You tested most of the windows, Alex.
I thought after testing a bunch of them, there was maybe 1 or 2 in each unit that are going to have issues, and those are Pellas. So I think we have an opportunity to fix what's there. I don't think it's going to be too bad.
But I was actually, on a good note, these units were fairly big.
Yep.
Very spacious. I don't see why we can't get the same rents here as we do in Country Club.
Yep.
So, and I think there's room to raise rents here.
Are we keeping the carpet in the kitchens and bathrooms?
Yeah, for sure. That's one of the features.
Okay.
I think some cosmetic again. We do some plank. We do some stuff. These are gonna look nice. Doesn't take much.